I trim every day.
Yeah.
But my ears still stay the same.
Yeah.
What am I?
A male. Boy, if you don't...
Wagwan peeps, I done with your boy Jnel and welcome to our next episode of The Questions, which is episode 12. Right now, back in Arbitrary. What are the hot spot them? You see me, by popular demand. So watching the peeps, without no further ado, you don't know some always can't wait for move, can't wait to get the show started. So watching the peeps, I'm out. Like the video, share, subscribe. And I'm out. G, first thing I want you to do, just give me a name.
DJ
Colin.
Nigel.
Raj, Bianca,
Jonathan.
Rashi,
Valeska, Shante,
Yo, my boss.
Jnel, Courtney,
Papa. Sniper.
No, man, I'm not going to answer.
Ash, Ruthan,
Devin.
Devil.
Kevin.
Oh, Kevin. Oh.
Nadia,
John Moses.
Tyree. Virgo.
Rasta.
Grant.
Jada, Ashley,
Alex.
Bunry.
Marlon.
Zara.
Akeem.
Let's go, man. Let's go. First question, right? If Jamaica gained independence in 1962, right? And now 2020. So in which year did Jamaica gain independence?
May I rephrase the question? If Jamaica gained independence in 1962.
Yeah. And now it's 2020.
2020.
Yeah, so in what year did Jamaica gain independence?
You know something I remember that?
What the question again?
Hold on. Jamaica gained
Jamaica gained
Independence, yeah. 62. And now 2020. So in which year Jamaica gained independence? Yeah.
1962. Yeah, 1962. 1962.
1962.
Independence.
Yeah.
1962.
1962.
1962.
If Jamaica gained independence 1962 and now we're in 2020,
Yeah.
which year Jamaica gained independence? Well, I just like you tell me 1962 or you tell me, you know?
Yeah, see, man, sir.
1962. 1962.
Now if it be 1962.
1962. 1962.
You're 1962.
1962.
Yeah, man, is that it, man?
1962.
1962?
1962.
Yeah, man.
Repeat that question. Well, repeat it.
If Jamaica gained independence in 1962, right? And now 2020. So in which year did Jamaica gain independence?
Well, man, Jamaica never gained independence.
What?
You're serious?
Hold on. Jamaica. Which year Jamaica gained independence? 62. 1962? So, 1962. No, man, you know what I'm going to say. Are you in? Me? You don't know your style already. You know.
Gain it?
Yeah. 2020, no.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay. Rephrase that back, you say, in independence in 19 when?
If Jamaica gained independence in 1962, right?
1962.
Yeah, now we're in 2020. So in what year did Jamaica gain independence?
Approximately in the 2010-11.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Approximately 2010 and 11 or 12. Yeah.
2010, 11 or 12?
Yeah. Straight up.
Sure.
Yeah, man. One of them, yeah.
Eh.
Oh, yes, I'm wrong?
Wrong one.
I come and say approximately, you see me? So I'm not quite know, but I just give you an answer still, you know? Yeah.
Open up my J. Yeah, man, one more, you know? The wrong still, I give you the answer. The answer is 62, 1962. Because remember me saying if Jamaica gained independence in 1962, and now 2020, so what year did Jamaica gain independence?
No, you're cheeky out question.
How many sides does a triangle have if you add one side to it?
How many sides a triangle have?
If you add one side to it.
One side, if you add one next side to it.
Yeah.
4.
4.
Yeah, 4.
3.
Add one side to it. One.
How many
Say
sides?
again.
Alright.
How many sides a triangle have, right? If you add one side to it.
One.
4.
I don't know. Add one side. 4. 4, yeah.
How much side a triangle have if you add one side to it?
Triangle? 4. 4 I add 1 5.
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. Oh, shit, my chest is going.
One side? Triangle. 2 sides.
Boy, if you don't get...
How many sides does a triangle have? But if you add it, it's going to be a square. Exactly. If you add it, it's going to be a square.
If you add a side to it and a triangle again.
Exactly, if you add one side to it and a triangle, that's a square, brother.
How many sides a triangle have?
If you add one side to it.
One side, if you add one next side to it.
Yeah.
Well, really and truly, still I go have 3 sides because I can't take no side. So it's a triangle that already, you know, brother. So what kind of side do you want to add to it?
Oh, you have to add one side to triangle. If you add one side to it and a triangle again.
It's no longer a triangle.
So, same thing. Yeah.
If you add one side to one triangle, how much side you have? I know one triangle that. Yes, if you add one more side to it, I can never add a side to a triangle. It already have 3 sides.
I know one triangle if you add one side, it's a square. Yeah, it's a turn a square.
Alright, last one, right? Yeah. I trim every day, but my ears still remain the same. What am I?
You trim every day, but the ear remain the same.
Yeah.
What are you? What am I? What am I?
Ballad? Hear me? Ballad? Hear me?
Trim every day. I hear the same way.
What am I?
Yeah, I don't know the one that.
You trim every day, but the ear still stay the same. I don't know.
I trim every day, but my ears still remain the same. What am I?
Ball.
Yo, I don't know that one there.
You say give up?
Every day.
Yeah, but my ear still remain the same. What am I?
I trim every day. But my ear still remains the same.
Yeah, my boss. Respect, you know. Manners.
That means you don't cut your ear then.
Still the same. Okay, you know.
I don't know that one there. That one they catch me.
I trim every day, but my ears still remain the same. What am I?
Grass. Grass? I don't know.
I don't know that.
Think about it, man. I trim every day, but my ears still remain the same. What am I?
3 something, one of them something there. The ears still remain the same. All the way trim. A human being or a person, yeah. A human being, yeah. That's it that I'm. Because I know son of that boy, I don't even know blood.
I trim every day, but my ears still stay the same. What am I?
The year.
Eh?
The year. The year, the year. The month of the year. That way there.
Alright, last one, right?
Yeah.
I trim every day, but my ears still remain the same. What am I?
A barber.
Baba. Yeah, Baba.
I'm barber. Come here, trim my man them every day.
Baba. Barba. You have sense, you know. You have sense.
I don't know.
Baba. Almost Baba.
I don't know the one that you. I see it.
Yes, I don't know.
I don't know.
Barba. Oh, yeah. Mer grew up.
I trim every day,
Every day.
but my ears stay the same. What am I?
My barber.
No.
Yes, sir.
So if I trim every day, I mean still I carry the same head. And I may trim other people, no me are the barber.
I trim every day,
Yeah.
but my ears still stay the same.
Yeah.
What am I?
A male.
What?
Male?
Yeah.
How you get that?
Because a male alone trim. Go barber and trim.
We have whole heap of flow sim. Ready? Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching the next episode of The Question, which is episode 12. I don't know, back in Infantry. So here we guys, we're gonna move now. So please like, share, and also subscribe. And when you subscribe, just click the notification bell so you get notified. Follow me on Instagram, JNL_. Yeah, you're correct. 1. Follow Buhn BUHN_. Yeah, reaction. So you don't know your boy JNL. Thanks for watching the next episode of The Questions. And I'm out.